What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the three-team $50 group break credit random as well as the quad jersey random. So I'm just going to do one timestamp. 12:57. It is 12:57 here in Dartmouth. So we're going to go 3 times on each list. We got the Ducks, Rangers, Wild, and Wings. Top spot gets the card. 1, 2, 3. Ducks gets it. So Lucas, you got the quad. Congrats. And for the 3-spot giveaway, Patrick had 9 teams. Adam had 3. So yeah, we'll see how this pays out. 1, 2, and 3. Ruble, you got the $50 group break credit. There you guys have it.